It is now almost a month of having large events canceled, and this Sunday will be the first time our church is holding communion via live stream. While any kind of bread is fine, this is how to make the communion wafers that our church uses. There are only 2 ingredients, 3 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix the ingredients together and knead gently to form a dough, about 2 to 3 minutes. Allow this dough to rest for at least an hour before dividing into 3 roughly equal pieces. Dusting the work area down with plenty of flour, roll the dough out into a circle, about 7 inches in diameter, or until you can almost make out the patterns of the work surface through the very thin wafer. The thinner the better. Set a pan on medium-low heat and toast the wafer for 4 to 5 minutes, turning and rotating every so often. Allow the wafer to cool to room temperature and it will become very crisp. In Matthew, it is recorded that, while they were eating, Jesus took bread, and when he had given thanks, he broke it and gave it to his disciples, saying, "Take it and eat. This is my body." Then he took a cup, and when he had given thanks, he gave it to them, saying, "Drink from it, all of you. This is my blood of the covenant, which is poured out for many for the forgiveness of sins. I tell you, I will not drink from this fruit of the vine from now until that day, when I drink it new with you in my Father's kingdom." Hope to see everyone in a large gathering after this global disaster has been overcome.